Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at Microsoft Copilot today and Perplexity. We want to know which one is a better AI assistant. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're jumping into Microsoft Copilot, and Microsoft Copilot has now gone under construction, and there are so many new features, so we're going to dive into them. So it presents a fundamental shift in how we actually interact with technology at work, and it embeds advanced AI directly into the tools that millions use daily, and it transforms your productivity from a manual effort into intelligent assisted experience that amplifies your human creativity and efficiency. Some of the features include embedding the AI integration. So it seamlessly integrates across all of the Microsoft 365 suite apps. This includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams for comprehensive workflow coverage. It also uses natural language commands, so you can generate, summarize, and analyze content instead of using conversation prompts that feel intuitive and effortless. Also, it leverages your data and organizational knowledge through Microsoft Graph to provide personalized, relevant experience and assistance. So basically, what happens is you embed all of your data from your Microsoft account, and it literally uses your data. It's like having a workmate that actually knows what's going on in the office. The last thing over here is their advantages. So it's built on Microsoft Word's class security infrastructure with compliance standards meeting the strictest regulatory requirements across industries. It also has deep integration with widely used productivity tools to ensure immediate value and broad organizational acceptance. It also has regular updates with the latest AI models and Microsoft Graph Intelligence, ensuring cutting-edge capabilities. And the last thing is the industry versatility. It supports diverse sectors from finance to healthcare to education with customizable AI features tailored to specific needs. Ladies and gentlemen, we're jumping into Perplexity now, and I use Perplexity every single day. Perplexity AI reimagines how we find information online, and instead of sifting through countless search results, it delivers direct conversational answers with transparent sourcing, transforming research from a scavenger hunt into intelligent dialogue. Some of the features of Perplexity include their conversational AI interface. So it delivers direct contextual answers from authoritative web sources through natural dialogue. It combines instant web crawling with advanced natural language understanding for current information, and it automatically cites sources and provides summarized explanations, ensuring transparency and credibility. Now, that one is important. Also, it's a browser-based platform with an optional Pro subscription, which unlocks enhanced AI capabilities and also unlimited Pro searches. Some of the benefits and advantages: you get fast, precise responses without navigating through dozens of websites or filtering through irrelevant content. This is something that I use if I am doing research. Also, it dramatically enhances research productivity by summarizing complex topics into clear, digestible explanations. And then you can, it builds user confidence through visible source citations that supports fact checking, and verification. It also is lightweight and accessible from any device with internet. There's no downloads, installations, or any specific setup required. I use it on my mobile device, I use it on my work laptop, and I use it on my home laptop, and I've got 3 devices, 1 account, and everything is synced. One extra feature that they have is spaces, where you can basically set up different spaces for different things. So instead of having to explain to the AI chatbot what you want to do each and every single time you want to do it, you can just create a space, for example, like whatever it is that you'd like to do, and then that bot will specialize in that space. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.